the world changes, and all the traditional tools to understand and solve insider risk are becoming irrelevant.
That's Amir Boldo, co-founder and CPTO at Above Security, an AI-native managed insider threat platform for proactive risk management. He recently sat down with Cybercrime magazine alongside Above CEO Aviv Nahum to discuss the evolution of insider risk.
So historically, insider risk has been very hard to operationalize. It was only reserved to the highly regulated federal agencies because of how hard it was to buy one, to pay for one, to hire people to do it for you. It was a very manual process.
The current solutions aren't putting human reasoning into the process. They come out with anomalies, which is always full of false positives. This is exactly what Above is here to solve. We deploy a full fleet of AI agents that understand the context, follow your users and AI agents within your environment, understand the intent, and come up with the full timeline and follow and find the insider risk that's happening within your environment.
So there's a good analogy we actually took from Gartner that says that insider risk is like soup. And what it means is that the more ingredients you put into the soup, the better data. So our AI agents essentially dive heads first into the soup, try to extract insights from within the soup. And the soup can be anything from user activities within the browser, which processes response, when it comes to AI agents, which platforms did they access and stuff like that. And this is the said soup, right? This is where applying AI at scale actually makes a difference. The main two KPIs Above is given now to enterprises is one, faster time to investigation of anything in your environment. And the second thing is a whole lot more of true positives. And we uncover actually what's happening rather than applying blanket rules that make no sense.
In the agentic AI era, instead of putting more and more people on the problem, they can now automate using AI what is risk and what is not. And this is exactly what Above is doing.
This special production is brought to you by Above Security. To learn more about our sponsor, visit above.security.